plant is a bunch of the vines that got here 30 days ago from the nursery in Italy. So the nursery grows this in 1 year before, and it's a rootstock, the same rootstock for almost all the vines. This Paulsen, this is Paulsen.
This is 1103 Paulsen, yeah.
1103 Paulsen, and then the varietal is grafted here.
So most of that is American rootstock. It's called American rootstock. It's really hybrid between an American vine and European vine.
So the rootstock is resistant to this weather, to the rocky soil. It's special for this kind, and then the varietal will give phylloxera kind of diseases.
And they graft that easily together?
Yes. What they do is they will take would be this the cane of the rootstock, and if you look at it this way, they will do like it's like an omega.
Walter, ¿tenés un cuchillo, Walter, o algo así?
How do you call it? Sacaboca. It's a device, a tool by which they just clip a hole into the middle of that like an omega, and with the inverse tool they clip the same size that will fill that hole with the Syrah, and they join it in, slide
so
one into the other.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle.
It's like a jigsaw. So they slide the male of the jigsaw would be on the Syrah.
Actually,
part. The female of the jigsaw would be on the rootstock. They slide it in, and then you put this is wax. It's food grade wax. They put that in, and then first it goes into warm chamber, then it goes into cool chamber.
They used to use like a gauze, right?
Oh, but what are you doing?
Like a
I'm taking out the wax, so you can see the scar that is in the graft.
They used to use just
Scar?
It's scar tissue. The graft union.
That's not one of mine you're ruining.
You got a discount?
You already have plants
Brazilian.
this year. This is there. We just planted, what, 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago. That's amazing.
That's really amazing.
Ya les encontrás el coso.
No, this is the actual graft union.
Yeah,
The whole thing.
But in the Malbec you can see clearly
this is
the rootstock and the varietals in different color, and you see the line.
But this is a better scar. This is a complete scar tissue over both the graft union. It's all scar tissue.
It looks like a very healthy vine, considering his baby. So, and it's actually more than 1 year old. And if we do the right things here with irrigation, humidity, and the weather is okay, the take rate can be very close to 100%. Should be. Muy bien.
And that makes us happy.
Yeah. Everybody is happy with it. Higher take rate.
Makes the owner happy. We spend less money because we don't have to replant.
And right now we're dripping, correct?
We're never through.
Yes, we've been dripping for 3 days, Francisca?
Yeah, for the last 2 days and a half, yeah.
It's working. Has
So
pressure now?
not only the hole is
No,
the
no,
hole,
no. Now
called the
it's
bulb.
the nature of
It's
it.
just
Losing the pressure.
the sphere of
¿Y lo puedo
dirt
poner?
is wet. One of the critical things in young plants is that they need a lot more water than established
For
plants need,
planting,
and they
2 or
need
3 days
water
before
more
we
often
start
than
doing
established
5-6
plants
hours every day. It's very humid, and then the regular irrigation is 5 millimeters per day. That is approximately 5 hours a day.
Oh, 5 hours.
5 hours every day.
Wow.
Eso es lo que regamos, ¿no? 5 horas por día cada lote.
That would be the maximum.
Yeah, it's the maximum, and we are approaching the
And what time of the day? You do that early in the morning, so it's less
No,
evaporation?
anytime.
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 Okay.
Actually, that's to maximize the use of the something we were talking this morning. With one well, one irrigation system, you can do 250 acres if you irrigate
by 0.80.
20 hours in a day.
No,
How long does it take you to
but a
do
molecule is 0.85, so it's this spacing is 10 centimeters wider than
we use
the old line spacing.
refill,
But
and
if not, it's as dense as this is.
it's not the same speed.
5,700.
No, actually, we're pumping up
The other one is 65.
It's fastest.
empty in hour and a half before, and we pump.
No, we're keeping a row spacing standard because of the tractors and everything, and we're keeping vine spacing according to the variety. Because varieties are more vigorous,
Let's plant.
more space between plants. Varieties of Malbec are less vigorous and can bunch them together.
Enthusiasm.
We gotta